Mag-hi ka sa fans mo.
Hi, fan. Saan?
Batiin niyo naman sa Hershey.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Mukhang.
birthday, girl.
Happy birthday, Hershey.
Thank you.
Gip. Kita mo.
Thank you.
Puro
Christina.
Under Armour.
Nagkabagsakan na pala dito.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Herbie. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Long blouse kasha. Under Armour. Sana favorite mo yan.
Sa June pa siya.
Kahit naman si June, July, August, September, October, November, wala ka naman regalo.
Ano? Lipstick, Mac, right?
Mark bibigay.
Mac lipstick. Ano?
Ayan na, nakaano ka.
Meron ano?
Foundation.
Bigay siya. Ang
Oh, no. Si Chen, the one na you said, always, after,
Ano na yan?
birthday?
That's for the birthday. I don't think this is ours.
She ordered that?
Yes, sure. I changed it to bento.
Yeah. Again.
Iba-grade natin si Madair. Ayan, kasali ka dito. Ang laman. Grade natin. Ang laman ng kanyang bayong. Ano pangalan ito? Mendres. Yung bag niya ay Mendres. Madali isa-isa ng salamin. Pang-dry.
It's hot at night.
Cellphone.
So, ano lang
Hindi naman ginamit. Cellphone. Susi ng aking car. Car keys. Wallet na maswerte.
Maswerte. Kaya siya, maswerte yung day wallet.
Mga budol saksi. Budol. Charger. Pampabata.
No more.
No more. Thank you. Bag grade number 1.
Wash my head.
Let's bag grade the birthday girl.
Naku, nagulat ka na.
Ikaw magbukas.
Ikaw na.
Sige.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Ano?
Hindi ako marunong.
3 minutes to lock in, no?
Okay, first, may rosary
Okay, bye.
ka.
Thank you. Ano yan? Batla.
Uy,
O bakit anong masama doon? Di ka ba gumagamit, no?
ikaw.
Di ka ba gumagamit, no?
Ano?
Gusto
Card
mo ikip
is-
yung jowa mo.
Naks, ay bakit na?
That lang.
Kasi kayo, hindi ko ito
O bakit? Eh, bakit anong masama doon? Diyos ko.
Gagawin.
Ang wallet na madaming laman.
Oo, natulog na naman dalo.
Cellphone.
Ang ito ng check.
Check it.
Kaya ka dyan.
Ayun lang ang laman ng bag ni Madam.
Yan na. Tsaka picture ni Kuya Paul always.
Bag raid number 2. Hayaan mo nang wala kang picture sa akin. Ganyan yun lang.
Yan na.
Gusto mo lagyan ng picture yan?
Thank you,
Picture mo?
thank
Gusto
you.
mo, lagyan mo picture mo. Ikaw na.
Ay, sabi ko nga kayo, ito lang akong picture sa'yo. Eh, ikaw.
Say, ikaw.
I have my wallet. Yee.
Show it first.
And a pen. And a granola bar.
Yeah.
And
that's
then-
it.
Bad luck.
And a
Okay.
fortune cookie. That's it.
Bad luck. Ano?
And then your bag
Bad
is...
luck.
It's
Uy.
Louis Vuitton
From
from Mike.
and Mike from
Tina.
Special mention, hello. Wallet raid.
wala.
Pakita mo yung wallet mo. Ano yan?
Pagbuwag ang yun agay tingin.
Yeah. Driver license. Oh. Card. Ba't saan na pa ako sa ganito?
Yung cash.
ID sa work.
Cash. Kasi nilang makita yung cash mo.
Walang cash. Yun lang.
Ninong.
Wala na. That's it.
El Padre.
That's it.
Okay, and your wallet
hold on,
is...
wait. Here. Here. My Dutch picture.
Kahit wala na akong picture sa wallet niyo, it's fine. I understand.
Pedro.
Ay, ano natin, ilaminate natin yan, yung
It's not laminated.
Oh, you need to laminate it.
You can take it.
Okay, and
they
then
can
yung tatak ng wallet mo,
restore
pati yun ang wallet mo.
Yeah.
Take it in and have it
Ano ba
restored,
to?
and then have them laminate it if it's going to be in
Hold
his
on.
wallet. And you can actually get copies of that.
Well, we have original online. They just put
Okay. So, hi guys. Turn na ni
Hi,
Julia
guys.
for what's in my bag.
Dali, tanong na.
Game. Anong bag mo?
Lululemon shoulder bag.
God, what's in it?
Ano, ito muna o sa loob? I have a clip, plushie, keychain, and my wallet. Huwag ko na buksan yung wallet.
Bubuksan mo. Isa
Hala!
binuksan nila.
Inside my wallet, I have receipts, my driver's license, and my WIC card.
Okay.
WIC card dyan. Maririnig pa ako sa... And $2. So
Ang makulit.
rich. Okay, that's inside my wallet. Inside my bag, I have another pouch. My Melody Chromie, and I have my makeup. Lalabas ko pa, wag na.
Makeup bag.
Powder, blush, lipstick, lash glue, lipstick, Burberry perfume. Lipstick. Hand sanitizer. And peanuts clips. And a random paper. Wala, ang dilim ma. Ita time-lapse mo.
Hindi.
Oh my gosh.
Lagyan mo.
Ito. Hand sanitizer. Lollipop wrapper. Minnie Mouse wallet ni Peanut. Hair gel. Receipt. Headband. Bubble gum. Peanut sunglasses. Tampon. Peanuts clip, my rings. Makeup brush na nakatago talaga. Ayan na. And business menu and business cards.
And that's all.
And wipes and a receipt again.
Yan.
And earrings. That's it, guys.
What's in my bag for Julia?